Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will show you how you can fix my AI not showing up on Snapchat problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you got that, what you can do is, my AI is simply a new feature given by Snapchat itself. It's regarding update as well. Go ahead, open your Play Store, go to search bar, type in Snapchat and search if your app is updated or not, because as I told you, it's a feature by Snapchat itself and which you will get with the up-to-date Snapchat. Go ahead, update, and then wait for a while and you will be able to access your my AI right there. But if you still didn't get it, go ahead, open Snapchat. Go ahead, tap on your profile icon, tap on settings, scroll down, go to support center, tap on I need help, tap on my AI, tap on how do I access my AI on Snapchat, tap on this X article because we couldn't find, right? Tap on this article that answer my question, tap on submit. Now tap on contact us given below, tap on this option called I need help with Snapchat feature. Go scroll down, find this option called my AI and tap on this how do I access my AI, and this will give you another note which actually lets you know that my AI is a new feature and it's enrolling slowly right there. So you will apparently be able to get it if it's not today, maybe tomorrow, but you will have to wait for a while. It's enrolling, you will get this. You are one of the user of Snapchat, you will be able to find this. But the one thing that you can make sure is keep updating your app, you will be able to access it. So yes guys, this is the way. I hope this video was helpful. If you got more concerns, leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll see you guys next time.